Yeah, the file tree. Yep. It's 27,000. I got interrupted. My stream got interrupted. Wah. Womp womp.
Like short-circuiting it. One last test before we continue that.
Let me pause my music here. All right. Well, it's running now. I guess I'll just play this one. We'll see if this one doesn't make the overlords angry. Yep, I called that shit. So basically, if I'm building with a local model like this, I shouldn't do it on a massive project like the one I'm working on, because this will literally just like shred the context window within a matter of just like getting ready to work. I'm at 120,000 lines of code for this one, and like hundreds of files in. That explains a lot. Is there anywhere where that I can see like through like the terminal like a stream of my memory usage? Not the one that is like the activity monitor for fucking, I just want to see literally the RAM usage. I don't like the activity monitor because there's all these little fucking like numbers all over the fucking place. I just need to see what the RAM usage is, because I would like to test the same exact prompt that I did except with another function again and see how much RAM I'm using, because my computer does heat up just to do another hello world, which is a little concerning, which is why I'm thinking that this I still think that it's like just running it on this one like this, like it just gets hot and like starts like really like ramping up to just do a hello world function. So I'm like, that's where I'm like, where's the memory standing on this too? Let's see what it's at. This time it barely took any. That's fine. That's honestly fine. I mean, I don't really do anything else with it as of right now, so I'm not too concerned. Why is it? What's up with this fucking thing? Wait, if I run it at 32,000 tokens for the context window, that's like really limited. That would limit the model significantly. These are just simple tests. Like, this is just for a hello world test. This isn't for actual building yet. So 19,654 tokens is like the absolute minimum. My question is, how much is it pushing the current memory in relation to the allocation currently? So like, is the 26 gigabytes enough for the 200,000, the full 200,000 token context like KV cache window? That's what I'm asking. Oh wow. Yeah, this mouse is fucked. What the hell is happening with this mouse? Is it the fucking batteries? I thought it was my computer going slow. I was like, oh shit, speak of the devil. It's not, it's this fucking mouse. What the fuck is happening with it? It's just not unresponsive. I'm swapping the batteries. Let's see if this is potentially it. I'd be surprised if these batteries were already almost dead. Oh yeah, they're low. Wow. Let's see. Is it the mouse or is it the fucking... Yeah, dude, it was the batteries. Holy shit. So basically, the 26 gigabytes of RAM pay for the 200,000 context window, correct? Right. Right. But what I'm asking is, so the 6.6 gigabytes is enough for the 200,000 token KV cache, correct? What do you mean? What does that mean? 9.27 gigabytes used? Is that with just the 19,000 context window that it picked up, or is this like from the last job, or is that like what does that number mean exactly? All right. I think we've definitely settled it. keep getting faster. Due potentially to some sort of function with how RAM works. I have a question about that actually in general. So like when I was in like college, I was sequencing music, and then what I would find is if I tried running the music one time, like I had a bunch of plugins and all this other stuff, it would like stammer and stutter and like all that other shit. But then if I replayed that stammered and stuttered bit again, it would actually replay with the correct samples up until the point where I stopped it, and then it would start stammering and stuttering. Does this have something to do with how this is processing things as well? Like even though the cache, like the KV cache is fresh every single time for a new session, does the way that the memory work itself potentially storing some sort of like its own RAM cache or something like that? My friend told me I was fucking wrong for years. Okay. So basically, the more tasks that I run over the same project over time can slowly become a little bit more efficient by just like a little bit, basically. I mean, this is a pretty noticeable bit. That being said, it was like, you know, like, I don't even know how many seconds that last one was, but it was not like 2 minutes, which was like the first one, you know what I mean? All right. Okay, so next we're going to be basically addressing sub-agent coordination, well, sequential sub-agent coordination with these local models. That's going to be the next step, basically. Got to figure that part out. All right, so we're up and running, dude. We got this local model up and running, and we got a hello world. We got multiple hello worlds. We figured out the speed situation. We figured out all these other things, and I also have a good, a solid breakdown of how to set these up for just not just setups, but also starting to do the instructions. Quick question for the ZSHRC shortcut. I don't think we really need that because it's going to be syntax. It's going to be like a shell command that has that already built. That's going to basically be populating it with a variable for the prompt, and the prompt is essentially going to be the markdown. This is like all pre-built workflows that are built on bash commands essentially. So I don't think I really need that shortcut, but I think that figuring out how the sub agent stuff works would be really interesting. I think we got a solid amount of work done. Got Olama up and running, got the model up and running, got a bunch of shit. So this is a good session, to be honest. Overall, this is like a nice 5 hours. Shit, yeah. All right, I'm gonna go to bed, but that's the context for tomorrow, basically. Have a lovely night. Yep. So that's pretty much it. We got the model running. I got my last stream blocked because I was playing copyrighted music apparently. All I can play is AI music apparently, which fucking sucks. But it is what it is. So yeah, good to go. I hope you have a lovely night now. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. If you joined me, if you didn't, it's okay. And I hope you have a lovely night.